Our lesson today is about solving pair of equations by substitution. We learned before how to solve a pair of equations by addition. Today, our aim is to know how to solve two equations using substitution. Look for this first example. Solve by substitution these two equations, x plus 3y equals 15. X equals 2y. As you can see here, that one of the equations is solved for x, which is the second equation. So we can name the first one equation 1, and this one is equation 2. Always to solve these equations using this method, which is the substitution method, you should solve one of the equations for one of the variables, x or y. Here, the second equation is solved for x. Now, take the value of x, and substitute it in the first equation. This is what we call substitution method. So, we will write the first equation, x plus 3y equal 15. But instead of x, we will write the value of x, which is 2y. So now we substituted equation 2 in equation 1. The result, 2y plus 3y, it will be 5y, equals 15. Solving this equation is very easy. Divide both sides by 5. You will have y is equal to 3. From this point, you can use the value of y to substitute it again in the second equation to find the value of x. So x equals 2y, but instead of y, we will write the value of y which we found, which is 3. And this is equal to 6. We finished solving. We found the value of x. We found the value of y. So we have a point of intersection, 6 and 3. The conclusion is that our two lines are intersecting lines. Some equations, they are not prepared for you like this example we solved for you. It needs some more work from you to prepare it. Example 2. Solve by substitution 2x plus y equals to 7. 4x plus 2y equals to 12. As you can see here, you need to prepare one of the equations by solving it to one of the variables. Which one we will use? The best one is the first equation. Just take 2x to the other side. Your equations are going to be like this. Y equals 7 minus 2x. The second equation, 4x plus 2y equals 12. We will not change it. Now, try to substitute. Let us say this is equation 1. This is equation 2. Substitute equation 1 in equation 2. So we will write equation 2 again. 4x plus 2 times y equals 12. But we can see that the value of y is 7 minus 2x. Try to simplify this equation. You will open the brackets here. So it will be 4x plus 14 minus 4x equals 12. So 4x minus 4x is equal to 12 minus 14. This leads us that the left-hand side is 0, equals minus 2. And this is not correct because 0 is not equal to minus 2. The conclusion here that we have no solution. And the conclusion also that these two lines are parallel lines. Let us take a last example, the third condition, where the lines are coincide. Solve. Two x plus y equals to 3. Minus 4x minus 2y equals minus 6. We will do the same thing. So our equations are going to be y equal 3 minus 2x. The second one, minus 4x minus 2y is equal to minus 6. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. Substitute equation 1 in equation 2. So you will have minus 4x minus 2 times y equals minus 6. Instead of y, we will write the value of it, which is 3 minus 2x. Simplify your equation by multiplying and opening brackets. You will have minus 4x minus 6 plus 4x equal to minus 6. As you can see, minus 4x plus 4x will be 0. So when you put minus 4x plus 4x and you take minus 6 to the other side, it will be plus 6. You will have in both sides, here you will have 0 equals to 0. In this situation, we will say that we have many solutions. And the lines are coincide lines. And by this, our lesson reaches its end.